Look at this, bro. We're going bottom right now, bro. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna hit it. Oh, where'd it go? There they are. Woo! I don't know. Oh, sorry. Hey, guys, stop. Yeah, we need to go pick them up. We need to go here like 35. What up? Whoa! Dang! Hit it! Okay, go to the dog. One more. Okay. Oh my God, they caught air. They just caught some air. I think this was us. Yeah! Oh! Did I catch that? Oh my God! They're off, bro. We were doing that, and then we almost fell off the tube. Ah! Give her a kiss!
You okay? I'm okay.
Are you okay? Yeah. Y'all okay? I got it on camera. I got it on camera. I got everything on camera. Oh my God. Oh my. Look.
A fucking doozy. Oh shit! I fucking tumbled and everything. I was like, oh God, I don't know what the fuck happened.
Oh my God, bro.
Hey, I couldn't even tell you
I
how
got
many
that,
times
bro.
I skimmed across the water on this tube.
I got that.
Is that what happened
to us? No. That's not what happened. I know we didn't flip it everything, but that's what happened to us. We got air. Yeah, we got like much. How's the flip? I'm gonna have to show you your hair.
We're okay. Like, okay, you're okay. It's like, yeah. We're okay. We're gonna get